Before we can create a feature service, we need to check that that feature service name does not already exist. And we can do that through the content manager and using the isServiceNameAvailable method. So open up the isServiceNameAvailable.py script from the create folder. From the GIS class, we can access the content manager, from which we can check if a service name is available for creation. And this is done through the isServiceNameAvailable method. Let's check out the documentation for the isServiceNameAvailable method. Here we can see the isServiceNameAvailable method has two parameters: service name, which is a string, and service type, which is also a string. The isServiceNameAvailable method determines if that service name is available for use or not for the specified service type. We cannot have duplicate service names for a specific service type. Both parameters are required. You can see the service name is required and the service type is also required. The service type is the type of service we are going to create, and we are going to use feature service. The isServiceNameAvailable method returns true if the specified service name parameter is available for the specified service type. Otherwise, it'll return false. The service name is unavailable, and you will not be able to create a service with that name. Let's head back to our script. Up top, we are importing our GIS class. We're then first accessing ArcGIS Online using the GIS class and supplying in the home string. We're assigning the calling of our GIS class to a variable called AGOL. We are creating two variables, service name and service type, to match the two parameters for the isServiceNameAvailable method. We've supplied in a string for our service name, and our service type is feature service, as we saw in the documentation. If the isServiceNameAvailable method returns true, we're going to print that the feature service name is available for use. Otherwise, we're going to print that the feature service name is already taken. It is not available for use. So we use our if statement. We're accessing our GIS object and the content manager, and we're using the isServiceNameAvailable method. We saw from the documentation that this has two parameters. One is service name, which we're going to set equal to our service name variable above, and also the service type, which we will also set to our service type variable above. And if that returns true, then we are going to print string formatting, the feature service name, and we use the service name variable is available for use. Else, I'm going to copy this print statement here and paste it into the else. The feature service name is not available for use. Now, before running the script, I just want to pop over to ArcGIS Online and show you the difference between a feature service title and the actual name of the service. Here I'm in the home page for a feature service. We can see up top we have the title of the feature service. This is not the name of the service. This is editable. You can call the title whatever you like, and it can be duplicated. The name of the service goes into the URL that we can see over here on the right hand side. Now if I scroll across, the name of this service is here. And this is the name that the isServiceNameAvailable method is looking to see. Does it already exist in ArcGIS Online? We'll head back over to the script and I'll run. The script is complete and we can see we were returned the feature service name is available for use. We're going to build upon this script in the next video where we're going to create an empty feature service. Just to show you what happens if the feature service name already exists, I've grabbed the name of the feature service I showed you in ArcGIS Online, and I'm going to paste in as a service name. I'm going to rerun the script. And we can see that the feature service name is not available for use. Make sure to continue on to the next video in this series and also make sure to subscribe. Take care.